Hey guys, welcome back to Are You Cosplay? Today we'll be covering casting gems using resin. So let's get started. First up, when it comes to casting gems in resin, you're going to need a large, well-ventilated area that you're going to be covering with a plastic tarp, just in case the resin starts spilling. And you're also going to need specific pieces of gear, such as gloves, a respirator, and some measuring cups to actually hold the resin.
Nasty fumes will be generated, and we kind of don't want to breathe that in, which is why you should wear a respirator. And also, nasty chemicals in general should never be touched by your bare skin, so wear some gloves. Also, protect your work area. It might be good to put some drop sheets on the table. So you see this? Use one.
So the next part is very simple. All you have to do is measure out equal parts resin to hardener.
So I suppose, in other words,
2 + 2 is 4.
And of course, your objective is to get 4.
The ting goes.
So the next step is actually mixing the resin and the hardener together. I would recommend doing this inside of a styrofoam cup, and you're going to use any stir stick really, and you're going to go as quickly as possible. The reason why is because it takes about 10 minutes for it to actually start to set, and when it actually starts to set, the cup will actually begin to heat up. It's just a natural reaction between the resin and the hardener. Before you actually pour it into the mold, first thing you want to do is actually spray on a mold release or conditioner. The reason why is because you don't want the resin to actually bond with the silicone mold. And once you've actually done that, you're pretty much done. It'll take about 24 hours for it to set, but if you want it to fully cure, it will take up to 48 hours.
But once it does cure, you get to have fun like this.
Alright, so thanks for joining us again, guys. Don't forget to follow us on IG, Facebook, and YouTube. And remember, if you can dream it, you can make it, and you can become it. See you next time.